Let's now do an unboxing of the Nuroum open Bluetooth earphone. As you can see, there it is just there. More about the features: noise suppression, comfortable, lightweight design. So these are good to be able to listen to when you're, if you're doing conference calls, stuff like that. Having the speaker going near your ear, the microphone is very good. A bit more about what it does. There's a user manual. More about some of the key features and what it comes with. A bit more about the quick start guide. A bit more about some of the features too and what you can kind of do with it. So you can use this as earbuds and also as like a microphone on calls. Let's take a look here. So here it is just here. Now, one thing I like about this, it feels quite light as well, and it feels very flexible. So it is just there. So this is what sits over your ears. And there's where the microphone sits too. So just having a look. So you should be able to turn this around. So you can turn this around like this. So you can face the front, because obviously you don't want to be behind your head. So there's a microphone there. You can see there it is there. There's a headset. So you turn it on by holding down the button there. Power on. You can turn up and down the volume there as well. And in the front there you've got the speaker. You can also turn that on as well. So I believe that's turned on and off the microphone. So that's to mute it. So if you want to don't hear people call you on a call, you can mute it there too. So depends what you want to do. And that's a multi-function button too. So that's the headset there. Looks nice and light as well, which is important because if you're on calls all day, you don't want the headset to be. If you're on calls all day, you don't want the headset to be really heavy on your head. And so there's microphone there, sits in your head. So this has the microphones just there for where your ears are, and that's the microphone at the front there too. Yeah, nice design. I quite like it. Like a headband kind of design. There we are there. And let's go see what else comes in the box. So you got the USB cable, not USB-C though, it's the plug cable there. And that's it there. So nice. Now I'm going to plug the Nuroum headset on my head to see it looks. Now there it is just there. As you can see, you pop it on your head like this. So it fits around your ears like that. See if you can see just there. There's a microphone is just there and over this side. And now you pair it to your phone. So you get your phone and pair it like I'm doing now. Now, what do you guys think? Now, this is quite good, I said, for using in office. We need to hear calls and stuff like that. You can use this. And I'm just going to go and Bluetooth it now and see how it sounds. So Bluetooth now. Now start with, I want to go and look at what kind of music's like with using it. So I'm going to go into the music and start playing it. Music sounds quite good. I wouldn't say it's up there with the top end headphones, but it sounds as good as, you know, a pair of mid-range earbuds you could use. Now I'm going to go and use a recorder. So I'm going to record my voice in a voice recorder and see how it sounds, and then play it back to you guys so you can hear it as well. So I've got the voice recorder here. So hello, it's Andrew talking. How are you today? So microphone's quite good as well. So this is great if you want to use it for calls. So using call centers, use conversation, Zoom meetings, or if you just want to walk around and make phone calls. But there it is there. And I think having the microphone at the front really helps with directing the noise too.